Okay, we got our patient Arrowhead. Arrowhead, how you doing, buddy?
We're okay.
He's doing okay, except he's got real bad pain. I was poking on him earlier, and I thought this hurt, but it didn't. Where it hurts is right there, right?
No, not quite.
Right there?
No.
I'm gonna get my stick again. You sure?
Yeah.
That?
No, it's the stick that hurts.
I think it's up higher.
Okay, we need to find the spot. Is that it?
A little bit, but you're not quite on it. Not quite on it. Not on it. Not on it. Not on it. You're going away from it.
All right. Tell me if I'm hot or cold.
Cold.
I don't know. Can I find it? Because I can find it real quick.
Well, actually, no, you can't because I got stuff laid out all over here. So we'll find it together, okay?
Okay.
All right, now, so from here, I go more inside, right?
Yes.
From here, more inside or back?
That ought to be about it, but
It's not lighting up.
no. No.
Back, front, side, which way?
Is it up?
Down. Just slightly down and to your right. No. No. What? Why?
Earlier, you almost jumped out of your
Yeah,
skin.
when I just poked on you earlier, right
It was
there.
like in that area.
That's the spot.
That's the stick that's hurting.
See, this doesn't hurt you here.
No, that stick hurts.
I know, but the stick hurts because I'm getting the spot. Your spot's right here.
Yes, right there.
Okay.
Where you hit it that last time.
That's it. All right, so, glad we cleared that up. we can't be injecting the wrong area. So, Arrowhead, you spent a lot of time out looking for artifacts and such, right?
I'm sorry.
I'm just making conversation. That's all.
I know.
All right, how long has this been hurting you? How long's it been hurting?
About 10 days.
About 10 days. Have you been wearing sandals?
I'm sorry, what?
Have you been wearing sandals?
No, I do not wear sandals. These are about the only thing I wear. I have some tennis shoes that I wear.
Yeah?
And I wear these.
Okay.
I like these because they get on fast.
All right. I want you just to relax. This is going to hurt, okay?
All right.
I got to be honest with you. You're going to feel a little bit of a pain. It's a little cold right there.
Boy, it is cold.
I'm going to freeze the skin just if I can. Now you're going to feel a stick. And it's going to hurt. Medicine's going in, so you should be feeling it. Remember I told you it was going to hurt a whole lot for just a moment. You doing okay?
Yeah.
There comes a little bit more. So we'll take it slow. We don't have to go too fast. Now I'm going to reposition the needle just a little bit. Try some different spaces right around in there. There we go. Here's some more. And then in the forward direction, right there. Feeling better?
Yeah. Ow. Yep.
Each little owie is good. It means that we're getting the medicine where it needs to go. So what you want to do is get yourself a good cushioned insole for those tennis shoes, okay? Just make sure that you have enough cushioning on your feet, because if you don't, this is the kind of problem that you get. This was a skinny needle, Gumby Jeannie. You made me work for this one.
Are you through?
You know, that's a good sign that he's not feeling the last part of the injection.
No.
No, we're just about through, I'll tell you that. This little light I can lift in there. We'll give it to him. There you go. Now we're through. Thank you.
Oh man, I just like took the
That's
camera
okay.
off.
That's fine.
It feels like it did before. You're right on the nerve now.
Right. Let's let that medicine get in there. That should feel a lot better now. It doesn't still hurt as much, does it?
I thought it did, but
No, I'm pushing real hard on it now. Believe me, I'm putting some pressure on that. Okay, so tonight, about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice your foot. Can you ice your foot up for me for about 20 minutes?
okay.
All right. You were real brave. Thank you very much, and thank you for letting me video your procedure, Mr. Arrowhead. All right. Around on it now. Walk around. How's it feel?
Feels great.
It doesn't hurt at all, does it?
No.
See, there you go.
You got it.
Was it worth the pain?
Oh, definitely.
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 Well, it's just one of those things that, when you inject the bottom of the foot, there's only so much you can do for pain. All right, partner.
Okay.
You get to go on home, and remember, about an hour before you go to bed, I want you to ice your foot, ice your heel.
Just put an ice pack or ice.
Ice pack will work, or stick it in the bucket with some ice or something. But ice it for 20 minutes, okay?
Yes, sir.
You're testing it out, man. You're walking back and forth. It's not bothering you a bit, is it?
Not at all.
Awesome.
Not at all.
You were very brave.
Boy, I'll tell you, it feels so much better now.
I'm pretty sure Gumby Jean will get you a lollipop.
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it can actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.